Okay, RM, end of October. It's going to be a little short video because I'm going shopping tomorrow. I'm going to take my list with me. At least a short list, not the long one I made. And I might take not a lot of money because I don't want to buy crap that's there. And I want to start buying stuff that's on my list I need to fill up. Spaghetti. And it's going to be like that for a couple months. Go shopping probably once during the month locally, and then I'll probably a couple things online. I'm going to look locally for some box sets that I could find cheaper. Then I'll compare the prices online. I don't tell you where I buy them. Sometimes I tell you I buy them online. Sometimes I buy them locally. But I don't go shopping locally too often because they have a lot of junk. And right now I just want to concentrate to put on my list. I'll do November, December, January will be the same thing. Movies to knock off my list, and then after that I'll probably try to do some Doctor Who, MASH, bigger boxes that cost like $20. Some of them are out of print and some of them are up to $30. This is going to be a substitute for pop weekend. I buy about like 5 pop a day, not a day, a week. And it's a bit much. I cannot substitute all the time for cheap pop. It's not good. And I think the sandwiches are going to be the cheapest food. So I'll probably do quite a bit of lunch sandwiches. And yeah, I'll let you know what I pick up tomorrow if I pick anything up. Or if I see anything interesting. So I'll only probably go locally shopping once when I do my load for pop. I could just drop by the store quicker. Those stores are further down, so I don't get to go there too often. So yeah, pretty much starting the new month. Been a long month, October. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. This is my dinner for end of the month for October. Thanks for watching. And I probably won't drink a lot of Nestea iced tea because you need to mix it with water and it's pretty expensive. $5, $6 for the whole thing. Almost same price as pop. I don't know how many you get out of it. It's like half a bag. But give it a go. Thanks for watching. And with the month October, getting ready to go shopping, I guess. See if I pick up any good deals, box sets. Keep an eye out for those. But I'm not going to spend a whole lot because I'm going to probably buy quite a few stuff. Okay, I still got toast. I'll go shopping tomorrow because it's raining today. Couldn't do a lot of shopping. I got meat, slices, and still got cheese. Anytime you're investing into sandwiches, you buy meat, the cost goes up. Keep that in mind. Same with frozen patties and stuff like that. expensive for meat. I haven't figured out if I need one sandwich or two for the day. I'm trying two. I don't got any more mayonnaise. That's radish. You could change up the sandwich a little bit. Sandwiches are kind of expensive for the whole month if you do two. It doesn't work on the budget, but for one, it's okay, but it doesn't quite fill me up. I have to wait a long time for dinner. Sandwiches for you up. If you just use one. I didn't find a grilled cheese maker yet. So I'm going to keep using my toaster. I don't know if I need good foil. I don't want to clean up any message. Last thing I want to do is cooking on a budget. I'm going to have to do some cooking later on. Rather buy chicken. I don't like the chicken they have in the store, so I have to do my own boiled, because they don't cook it too well. So thanks for watching November. First week of November. Grilled cheese with meat, salami slices, whatever you want, ham. Meat's like $5. Cheese is $5 and bread is like $4. Plus you have to pay tax. Adds up $20 almost for 1 week. It's a bit overpriced if you're adding extras. So anytime you're dipping into fresh meats, the cost goes up a little bit. Keep that in mind. But grilled cheese all the time, I don't know. Thanks for watching. How they look from the toaster oven. Could have let it go longer, but it's pretty good to me. Don't get extremely browned, but some problems have to buy foil. Nice sandwich. Like you get at the diner. Of course it's raining when I want to get out. get to do pop shopping tomorrow. I don't have any special towels, just basic one. I'm not gonna do any cooking this week, next week. Not at least 2 weeks. So I'll probably live off of toast for lunch and something else for dinner. That's the cool. And I have to always unplug it or keep it going. Keep door closed and unplugged. Wow, it's hot. So I have to let that cool. So next time I go, I'll look for a grilled cheese maker, but did not see one this time. So I'll keep an eye out, but I also got a budget, so I can't buy a lot. At least not for another 3 months. Not till the new year.